Good morning, YouTube. Wanted to go through a quick, very easy workbench that you can make for your children. It's about 21 inches high, and you can see from the bottom here, we just used some scrap 2x4s. The legs are cut at 21 inches high, and then the width is cut depending on your piece of plywood and what you have. I made them 1.5 inches short, and then you can see the construction here just with a leg, and make a very, very simple table style, what you'd find on your regular household table. So you use a skirt on one side and a 2x4, 21 inches long, a 2x6 or something else scrap-wise that goes in between as a stretcher, and then 2 screws through the top, or 3 screws through the top to attach it to the plywood. About 10 minutes worth of work, and your 4 or 5-year-old could easily help you out, put it together for them, and then they have something to paint with and play in the garage with you, like my son is doing right here. He's having a heck of a time messing around with a drill and some extra strap pieces of plywood, allowing us to easily do work with the kids around, because that's one of the things that's most challenging with staying home every day. Until next time,